This is a video on how to use your roller brow. We recommend that you use the roller brow in the evening. Start with a clean washed face. Take your spoolie brush, brush through the eyebrow hair in the direction of the hair pattern to stimulate the skin. Without pressing the button, take your roller brow and roll over the brow area from front to tail, going in the direction of the hair, and a second time going horizontally across the brow and down the angle of the tail. Next, press the button once. There's enough product for both brows. Proceed to roll once more over each brow by rolling horizontally across the brow. Finally, with the spoolie brush, brush through the brows to massage the serum into the skin. Then take your fingers and gently press the product into the skin. This will increase absorption. After every use, you should disinfect your roller brow. Spray your roller brow and spoolie brush with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Let dry and store in a clean container.